Okay, so this is the third attempt to make this video. Now it's gonna work. Creative Crossroads, Berlin, Hong Kong, Venice. I'm back in Berlin, but in a couple of hours I will catch my flights to Paris because with Tobias Rees, a forward-thinking AI philosopher, Santiago Carrasquilla, Pedro Sanchez, and Paula Kühn, we're gonna host some AI workshops at some major fashion brands and institutes. That will be super exciting. I also visited the exhibition at Kraftwerk Berlin, where I did all the AI quantum video and sound stuff, and it was awesome to see the work in such a great place, exhibited, installed. Then a very good friend invited me to participate at his new project because he was asked to do the pavilion of the Hong Kong Biennale in Venice. That will be really cool, and I'm looking forward to go to Venice. And in Hong Kong, they're actually building skyscrapers by making bamboo constructions around them. So they have those hundreds of meter high skyscrapers, but they're still using bamboo to climb around them and to build. And that's pretty insane. And that will be a part of the branding identity, I suppose. And yeah, OpenAI dropped that update on their new image generation tool, and everybody's doing Studio Ghibli images. And I'm also super hooked. It's really much fun. Yep, that was it. Have a lovely week.